Change your conception of yourself and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Neville Goddard. In a world filled with challenges and uncertainties, finding solutions can often feel overwhelming. There exists a powerful teaching that can help you navigate through life's difficulties and manifest your desires. By understanding and applying these principles, you can transform your reality and overcome obstacles effortlessly. Let's explore how this teaching can lead to significant changes in your life. The core of this teaching revolves around the concept of consciousness. It emphasizes that your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. By shifting your mindset and focusing on what you truly desire, you create a path for those desires to manifest in your life. This shift in consciousness is the first step toward solving your problems. When you recognize that your beliefs create your experiences, you gain immense power over your life. Instead of feeling like a victim of circumstances, you become the architect of your reality. This newfound understanding encourages you to take responsibility for your thoughts, empowering you to change your situation. Visualization is a key aspect of this teaching. It involves vividly imagining the life you want to live, as if it is already happening. By creating a clear mental picture of your desires, you send a strong message to your subconscious mind, aligning your reality with your intentions. This practice not only enhances your focus but also strengthens your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Another important principle is the idea of living in the end. This means adopting the mindset of already having what you desire. Instead of waiting for your dreams to manifest before feeling fulfilled, practice embodying the feelings and beliefs of success. This shift allows you to attract your desires more effectively. Gratitude plays a crucial role in this teaching. Cultivating a sense of appreciation for what you have, even before your desires manifest, raises your vibration and attracts positive experiences. Gratitude helps you maintain a positive outlook, making it easier to navigate challenges. One effective technique is to create affirmations that resonate with your desires. By repeating positive statements about what you want, you reinforce your beliefs and program your subconscious mind for success. Consistency is key, make it a daily practice to affirm your goals. Journaling is another powerful tool that supports this teaching. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and desires helps clarify your intentions and track your progress. By regularly reflecting on your experiences, you can identify limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. The teaching also emphasizes the importance of persistence. Change doesn't happen overnight, and setbacks may occur along the way. Maintaining a steadfast commitment to your vision will eventually lead to the outcomes you desire. Every step taken toward your goal is a step in the right direction. Surrounding yourself with positivity is essential. Creating a daily routine that incorporates these principles is vital for lasting change. Start your day with intention, practice visualization, affirmations, or gratitude to set a positive tone. By making these practices a habit, you reinforce your commitment to transforming your reality. As you begin to apply these teachings, you may notice changes in your relationships, career, and overall well-being. The transformation occurs and you consistently align your thoughts and actions with your desires. Over time, you'll develop a deeper understanding of how powerful your mindset truly is. This teaching serves as a guide for creating a life filled with abundance and joy. By accepting its principles, you can tackle life's challenges with confidence and clarity. You have the power to shape your reality, and this teaching is a valuable tool in that journey. Every individual faces challenges, but how we respond to those challenges makes all the difference. By applying the principles of this teaching, you can view obstacles as opportunities for growth. Instead of feeling defeated, accept the idea that challenges are stepping stones to your success. When you encounter a problem, take a moment to pause and reflect. Ask yourself how this situation can teach you something valuable. By shifting your perspective, you can turn setbacks into lessons, ultimately empowering you to move forward. The teaching encourages you to remain calm and centered, even in the face of adversity. Practicing mindfulness allows you to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This awareness enables you to respond thoughtfully, rather than react impulsively, leading to better outcomes. Visualization can be particularly useful when facing challenges. Picture yourself overcoming obstacles with confidence and ease. This practice reinforces your belief in your ability to navigate difficulties and fosters a sense of resilience. Incorporating these principles into your life equips you with the tools to handle challenges effectively. You'll find that problems become less daunting and more manageable when viewed through the lens of this empowering teaching. Manifesting your desires is an integral part of this teaching. By aligning your thoughts and emotions with your goals, you create a powerful magnetic force that attracts what you want into your life. This process begins with clarity. Knowing exactly what you desire is essential for manifestation. Once you've identified your goals, visualize them regularly. Imagine what it feels like to achieve them and immerse yourself in that emotional experience. This practice strengthens your belief in the possibility of achieving your desires, making manifestation more likely. Gratitude enhances your manifesting abilities. When you express appreciation for what you currently have, you raise your vibrational frequency, making it easier to attract more of what you want. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for positive experiences and abundance. Affirmations also play a significant role in the manifestation process. Create positive statements that reflect your desires and repeat them daily. This consistent reinforcement of your goals trains your subconscious mind to work in alignment with your intentions. Take inspired action toward your goals. While visualization and affirmations are powerful tools, they must be coupled with action. Trust your intuition and follow through on opportunities that arise. When you align your actions with your desires, you set the stage for manifestation. Belief is the foundation of this teaching. What you truly believe about yourself and your capabilities shapes your reality. If you hold limiting beliefs, they will act as barriers to your success. Recognizing and challenging these beliefs is essential for personal growth. To transform your beliefs, start by identifying any negative thoughts that arise. Replace them with empowering statements that reflect your true potential. This practice of reframing your thoughts helps you build a more positive self-image. As your beliefs shift, so will your experiences. When you truly believe in your ability to create change, you'll notice a significant impact on your life. The power of belief cannot be underestimated. It is a driving force behind all transformations. Your environment plays a crucial role in your journey toward personal growth. Surrounding yourself with supportive and positive influences can enhance your ability to apply this teaching. Engage with people who uplift you and share your values, as their energy will inspire you to stay focused on your goals. Decluttering your physical space can also have a profound effect on your mindset. A clean and organized environment promotes clarity and peace, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters. Take the time to create a space that reflects your aspirations and supports your journey. Consider incorporating daily practices that reinforce positivity in your environment. Whether it's displaying affirmations around your home or creating a vision board, these small changes can serve as constant reminders of your goals and the power you hold to achieve them. Consistency is key when applying these teachings. It's easy to feel motivated initially, but true change occurs when you commit to your practices over time. Building habits takes dedication, and the results will follow as you stay aligned with your intentions. Create a daily routine that incorporates visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. Even just a few minutes each day can have a profound impact on your mindset and energy. Over time, these practices will become second nature, leading to lasting change. Progress is not always linear. There will be ups and downs along the way. By staying committed and consistent, you'll cultivate resilience and the ability to navigate challenges with ease. Trusting the process is essential to your journey. As you apply these teachings, you may encounter moments of doubt or frustration. It's important to remind yourself that change takes time, and every step you take is part of a larger journey. Patience is a virtue when it comes to manifesting your desires. Sometimes, what you seek takes longer to materialize than you expect. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, even if you can't see the results immediately. Stay open to the possibilities that life presents you. By maintaining a positive outlook and trusting the process, you'll be better equipped to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your goals. Incorporating this teaching into your life can lead to profound transformations. By understanding the power of consciousness, belief, and consistency, you can solve problems and manifest your desires. Your thoughts shape your reality, and you have the ability to create positive change. Take the time to practice visualization, affirmations, and gratitude, and accept the journey of personal growth. You are more capable than you realize, and with dedication, you can overcome any obstacle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into transforming your life and achieving your dreams.